All right, y'all, we're talking about systems of inequalities, and basically this is just graphing more than one inequality at the same time. All right, so let me go through this first one with you, and then I'll have you try a couple, and then I think you'll be good. So all of these require graphing things like we did yesterday. We're just going to do two at a time. And when we do more than one at a time, we have to be careful about our shading. So first, to graph the lines. The first one, x is greater than 1, so on the x-axis I'll go to 1 and draw a perpendicular line. Now I'm not going to shade just yet because I have this other line to deal with, but I am going to note x is greater than 1, so I'm going to shade in this direction. So I'm just going to draw some arrows, and you can really note this however you want. You don't have to draw these little arrows. But basically, I'm just saying it's going to be on this side of the line where I'm going to shade. Okay, now without actually shading, I'm going to go to the next line. Y is less than or equal to 1/2 x minus 1. So start by going to -1 and put a point. And then up 1 and over 2. So up 1 and over 2, put another point, and draw a solid line there. Okay, and I almost missed this point. If you miss your point, make your point bigger. Good. Okay, now this one says y is less than or equal to 1/2 x minus 1. When you have y is less than, you shade down from that line. Beautiful. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to shade the one segment that has both the arrows pointing into it, and that's going to be this segment right here. The boundary lines for this segment are the lines themselves. The boundary lines are never the axes, unless the axis is one of your defined lines. But it usually isn't. Okay, so the two lines are going to cross, and one of those four slices is going to be the part that you shade. Okay, let me go ahead and leave that up there, but try that next one right there. I'll be back with